Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Farah Nabila. I'm a student in Industrial Engineering at Andalas University from Engineering Ekonomi Class B. So today, I would like to explain about cash flow diagram. So what is cash flow? Cash flow is a flow of cash inflows and disbursement for each period, month, quarter, semester, or annual. And cash flow diagrams consist of horizontal lines as markers for a series of periods in the past. So this is the example of cash flow diagram, which N is period or year, and P is price now, F for future price, and A is annual price. So this line is horizontal lines or time scale, and the zero period is a beginning of year one, and the one period is end of year one. Next is arrows represent cash flows, and the length indicates the number. So if the number is greater, then the arrow will be longer. And next is direction indicating sign. So they have two direction. First is above. Above is cash minus flow positive. And second direction is lower. Lower is expenditure minus negative cash flow. So next is example of cash flow diagram. From the question we know you plan to make a lump sum deposit of $5,000 now into an investment account that pays 6% per year, and you plan to withdraw an equal end-of-year amount of $1,000 for 5 years, starting next year. At the end of the 6th year, you plan to close your account by withdrawing the remaining money. Define the engineering economy symbols involved. So, from the question, we already have all of our elements note here. We mentioned that we have the longest time period will be 6 years, so we're gonna have year 0. And remember, you always start from 0, and the 1 to 3 until 6 period. And we have a P. P is a deposit. Even though you're depositing this into an investment account, you deal with this diagram, the ups and downs. And if you had the money on hand, so if you're already depositing this $5,000 into an investment account, you don't have money with you in your hand. So this is gonna go down with P equals to $5,000. And we have A. A is you will be withdrawing it for 5 years starting next year. And in the year 1, you're gonna start withdrawing 1,000, and you're gonna do this for 5 years. And we have E. E is equals to 6% per year. And then at the end of 6 years, you're gonna withdraw the remaining money, which is unknown, and the arrow will be different because we don't know if it's gonna be more or less. But this F will be unknown, and your N for the F will be equal to 6 years. Okay, I think that's all about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.